What did you find inside the house that made you scared?
I just saw a couple baggies. I was curious. Pour it out, and then I really knew what it was.
That's a big move you did.
I told her to stop it.
I understand. You were scared, right? Okay.
Yes! What's going on? I just went to go see Grandma for a second.
This was the moment when a mom went to jail, and it's just one of many similar such cases, starting with this extraordinary case where this intelligent young boy ended up sending his own mom to jail. On July 13th, 2022, police were called for a child welfare check after a 9-year-old boy found in the house something really shocking.
Thank you. So, we were called to come check on your son.
The cops knocked on the door. Before his mother could intervene, the child gave them a bag of whitish substance. Realizing it might be drugs, they quickly secured the child and proceeded to question the mother.
He's got my phone in the bathroom for like an hour.
I have no idea.
I have no idea what that is.
Well, you just handed it to me.
Okay, I don't know. I don't know.
So this is your child?
This is my baby. Yes, he's been in the bathroom for an hour.
Okay.
Literally an hour.
He was showing Tony this stuff that he found in the house.
I don't even know what that is.
Well, I don't either.
Apparently, the boy found the substance in his mom's room, then proceeded to lock himself in the bathroom. He then FaceTimed his dad, her ex-husband, to tell him about it. Even though she denied having any knowledge about the substance, the officers still remained doubtful. Everything came crashing down for her when the officer tested the substance and proceeded to question the boy about what happened.
Yeah, that's a lot of meth, Mom.
It's not just like a little baggie, you know. Yeah, it's like one of my top 5, you know, in my 20-year career of meth hauls. I can honestly say after 21 years, this is the first time that a kid's walked out with 12 pounds of meth in a baggie and handed it to us.
I just saw a couple baggies. I was curious. Pour it out, and then I really knew what it was.
Yeah, from like TV and stuff.
What?
Like you thought like maybe it was drugs from like TV and stuff.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. Proud of you. You did the right thing.
The substance tested positive for methamphetamine, an illegal recreational drug. And it wasn't just a little bit, it was a lot, over 100 grams. The mother, who was later identified as Kendra Long, wasn't ready to go down without a fight.
I mean, to me, it looks probably like methamphetamine, you know.
What is that?
You know what meth is.
Like speed or whatever. Like, I mean,
Come on.
What happens?
Everybody knows what meth is. You watch Breaking Bad. I mean, Jesus.
I have never seen Breaking Bad.
Well, you should.
If that is meth, and yeah, that's quite a bit of meth. It's not just, you know, recreational or personal use. That's like enough for, you know, a couple hundred people to party on a weekend. Over, yeah.
You do have the right to remain silent.
Me?
If you give up that right, you can say anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. It's in your house. This is your house.
This is not my. I don't even know this was here. I can't even understand or fathom the fact that this is drugs in my house.
Despite her efforts to pretend she didn't know anything, her attempts didn't succeed as the officers had plenty of evidence to charge her. She was arrested and charged with drug trafficking and child abuse. Kendra Long got out of jail later that day after paying a $25,000 bond. But she got off easy as she was only granted probation. In this situation, the kid showed remarkable bravery by reporting his mother's crimes. And the same is true in this next case. Another kid was just as brave when his mom's actions almost ended his life. On March 20th, 2022, police officers were dealing with some kids who had thrown trash on the road at night when suddenly a car came out of nowhere and nearly rear-ended their car.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You almost ran into our car. We got kids up here.
Why is the window not down? Put your window down!
Don't do it, honey. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
He's not even in a seatbelt in the car, and you're driving like that.
Oh my God.
Ma'am, have you had
You just lied to a police officer.
drink?
Yes.
She did?
Yes.
You feel unsafe in the car?
Someone will.
Okay, I'm gonna get you out of the car. Okay, let you come out, hang out with us. Hey, Masood, come over here and get the kid out of the back seat. He said he don't really feel that safe in the car.
Yes, he does.
He just said he don't feel safe. He said he's in the middle, so he wants to get out of the car, and he said drink.
You don't feel safe?
Hey, stop looking at him and stop talking to him. Talk to that deputy. Hey, come here, man.
You can't lied to a police officer.
Just come here,
I'm
man.
not lying to a police officer.
You have had something wrong.
I did, but I'm not lying.
No, you lied to me.
Oh my God.
You lied to me.
She denied drinking any alcohol, but her son disagreed right away, accusing her of lying to the police. The situation got worse when her son said he felt unsafe in the car, and the officers had to take him out. With her son taken away, she started to cooperate and got out of the car.
How much did you have to drink tonight?
I was at a dinner party at my friend's
Okay.
house.
Okay.
2 drinks of vodka.
Okay. How long ago was that?
Oh my God. No, 2 hours. Like, you can go. Like, you
ma'am.
can call them.
Ma'am, I'm talking to you right now. I'm not worrying about your friends. I'm asking you a simple question. All right, Yankee. We're dealing with
I'm not drunk.
another
I'm
incident.
so not.
Case.
Oh God, my kid.
She said she drank 2 glasses of vodka but insisted she wasn't drunk. While 2 shots of vodka might not usually make someone drunk, her actions up to now showed otherwise. So, the officer chose to do a field sobriety test to clear up any uncertainties.
Please.
Ma'am, I'm asking
Let
you
me
a
go
question.
home. I'm a teacher. I work at the high school. Let me go home.
I'm not letting you
I
drive
didn't
here.
do a bad thing. I'm just telling you.
All right, ma'am. Right now, I don't believe that you have the capability of driving a motor vehicle on the roadway.
Oh my God.
Would you like to perform some exercises?
No, I wouldn't.
Okay, so
I got nothing to prove for you.
all right, so I'm gonna let you know right now. If you deny doing these exercises, you could be placed under arrest and they can go get you criminally.
I know.
So I'm letting you know if you refuse to do the exercises, you can be placed. All right, man. When you're done talking, I'll talk.
It was clear from the outset that she was drunk, so it wasn't surprising when she refused to take a field sobriety test. However, in most US states, driving a vehicle means you automatically agree to these tests for alcohol levels. Since she didn't cooperate, the officers had the right to arrest her, which led to what they did next.
Okay, do me a favor. Turn around.
Oh my God.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put your
No,
hands
no,
behind-
no. Oh my God.
Put your hands. Don't resist.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
You don't have to do this.
Hey, get your cuffs out. I got it. Get your cuffs. Get your cuffs out.
My mom going to jail.
Don't worry. They're just putting her in handcuffs right now, okay? Because she's obviously been drinking. They're trying to calm her down, but she's rowdy.
I won't talk to you until you calm down.
Please talk to me.
I will not talk. Act like an adult for 2 seconds.
Talk for 2 seconds.
This mom's behavior was deeply concerning and unfitting for any parent. Her son was visibly worried, but the officers dealt with the situation very professionally and made him feel at ease.
You're smart, man, and I appreciate you stepping up. That's a big move you did.
I told her to stop him.
I understand. You were scared, right? Okay.
Dude, I killed my heart.
It really killed me too, man.
Dude, I killed
Yeah, that's why I'm coming over to talk to you. I really feel bad right now for you. Really, I really do. Because you could be one of my kids, right? And you're a smart dude, man.
She was taken into custody and charged with DUI, child abuse, and resisting arrest. Hopefully, this parent will learn from this and do better. But things get even more worse as the parent in the next case is extremely careless.
What's wrong? Hello? She went to the store. You leave your 5-year-old home alone so you can go smoke weed.
On March 7th, 2023, police officers responded to a call about a child crying for his mom. They talked to the neighbors who made the call first, and after talking to them, they decided to go check on the boy themselves to make sure he was okay.
What's wrong? Hello? Police department. Hello? She went to the store. Police department. Where'd they go? What store did they go to?
Apple Street.
The what?
Apple.
The Apple store?
It's close to my house.
Yeah, it's right down the street. How long have they been gone?
The child was visibly in distress, and at his age, he shouldn't have been left alone at home. The officer looked all over the house and found out that the child was alone. They then started asking the child about his mother's whereabouts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does he live with you?
Yeah.
Did your mom and dad both go to the store together?
No, my dad's at my papa's house.
Your dad's at your papa's house? Do you know the phone number there?
Yeah.
You do? Where's the phone? You have a phone in here?
No.
No?
I saw your phone, but it's dead.
Okay. So your mom left you, went to the Big Apple store? How long has she been gone? You don't know?
How old are you?
5.
5. What's your name?
People been breaking into our house, but
People have been breaking into your house.
yeah, and they messing up our house.
The child is really smart and can express himself very well for a 5-year-old, and his testimony thus far wasn't doing his mother any favors. Leaving him by himself was already an offense, as in many US states. Kids need to be between 8 and 12 years old before you can leave them alone. His mom showed up shortly afterwards, and the cops were clearly not happy with her.
Mommy, you left me home alone.
Yes. What's going on? I just went to go see Grandma for a second.
You left me home alone.
What happened?
He had the door open, was yelling for you.
I left
The
it
neighbors
on
called.
alone.
Somebody heard him
Why you
scream.
ain't come across the street to?
No. Hold on. Where's Grandma live?
Right across the street.
Why don't you take him with you?
I just went over there real quick.
Do you have an ID?
Yes, sir.
Given how long it took for the neighbors to call the police, their arrival, and their talk with the child, it's obvious she didn't leave him alone for just a short time, and the officers are well aware of this. They asked her for identification, but she took a long time to find it and couldn't locate it in the end. Instead, she called her mother. When her mother arrived, the officers had lots of questions for both of them.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Your grandma?
Yes, sir.
She was over with you.
Yeah, but for a second, she only came over here for a second.
Where do you live at?
I live on the south side. I don't even live on the east side. I'm out here visiting some friends.
So where were you at?
At her friend's house, real quick.
Where's the friend live?
Right across the street. I don't know. Right out back. Yeah, literally.
Well, we're trying to figure all this out because we got a 5-year-old kid left home alone.
Oh, he was only for a couple seconds.
Well,
we don't know. That's what we're just trying to figure out.
That's all it takes.
I mean, I understand what you're saying.
What happens if you'd have walked out?
I understand.
Listen.
I understand.
I told him all this. I said, I'll be right back. He literally plays the game all day. He was in there playing the game. I said, I'll be right back. I'm about to go over there and see her grandma real quick. That was it.
So do you think this is serious
No,
or not
no.
serious?
It's serious.
It's very serious. It's very serious. It's very
Just
serious.
that-
I
that's
never
right.
thought
Do you
it
think
would
you
have
should
happened
leave
to
a
me.
5-year-old home alone?
No. But
Then why'd you do
it was for a second. I didn't think it was.
Not only is it for a second, then you come back in and you're smelling like weed. So you leave your 5-year-old home alone so you can go smoke weed. And then you come back and then you yell at him.
I didn't get it.
Yeah, you did.
Leaving her child all alone to visit her mother was already bad, but leaving him alone to go get high is even worse.
And now you're telling me you don't know your social. Do you have a warrant?
No, sir.
Tell me now. We're going to run you and pull a
Wait,
picture.
say that again?
You shouldn't?
No, sir. I asked you if you want to come with me. You said no, you want to stand for the
Fall
game.
into it.
I did said yeah.
So why did you wear shoes on?
The officers asked if she had any previous warrants, which was a reasonable question because she suddenly couldn't find her ID or remember her social security number, which might suggest she was hiding something. Their suspicions were valid because they did find something.
So, you understand what's going on, right?
Yes, but
I can't help your warrants. You gotta hang the phone up. We're gonna handcuff you. Don't make it worse than it has to be.
okay.
Stop.
Call your mom.
He was like, what? He was like, I don't plan on
You hear me?
no time soon. He was like,
All right.
I ain't going.
They found out she had an active warrant for not showing up in court for a DUI charge. Consequently, she was arrested and charged with child endangerment. The next case is incredibly chaotic.
Don't shove me!
In the car.
I'll kick you!
On October 16th, 2021, police officers responded to a call from a mom reporting a problem with her son. When they got there, they found the son locked outside and began questioning him.
What do you mean she won't let you in because the door's open?
She's got the chain on the door.
Huh?
There's a chain on the door.
There's a chain on the door?
Yeah.
Really?
They tried to talk to the mother since she was the one who called 911, but they were left stunned.
Hey Jill, it's Officer Looney. Could you let me in so I could talk to you? Hey Jill?
I tried calling, she answered a second ago.
Jill, you called for us. You might as well come talk to me. Tell her we're gonna break a window if she doesn't unlock the door.
You got a pair, if you got a pair,
Jill, we're gonna break the window if you don't unlock the door.
You got a pair of Gerbers, you can twist the fucking chain lock off.
She basically locked herself inside after calling the police, which was not only weird, but also kind of funny. After they kept shouting and banging on the door, she finally came out, and they were surprised to find out she had actually been sleeping the whole time.
You called us? Break my door down.
Well, you finally opened it, but you called us?
I'm trying to sleep.
You called us, didn't you?
Yes, I'm trying to sleep.
So what do you want done, I guess?
I'm out.
He lives here.
I don't give a shit. I'm scared of him.
Why are you scared of him?
Hey, talk to her inside.
Okay. Can I step in? Alright, I take this invite.
I don't know where you were trained, but domestic battery is a big issue.
Come on in.
I'm right here.
Close the door then.
I'm right here.
Do you want us to do something or not?
Check him and do something.
He has residency here, okay?
I don't give a shit.
Apparently, she called because she wanted her son to leave the apartment. But legally, the police couldn't make him go because he had residency rights there. She would need a court order to legally evict him, which the officer duly informed her about.
But legally, we can't just kick him out on the street. He has residency
I don't
here.
give a shit what you do with him, but I'm not. I'm done with him. I'm not.
Well,
I'll
it's his
change my
house
locks.
just as much as
I'll
right
change
now.
my locks. I don't care.
Well, for
I'll
now,
change my
he's
locks.
got to stay here until
No,
you get
he's
him
not.
evicted.
No, he's not.
Hey,
I'm
listen.
not going to be in a body bag.
Guess what? If he changes the locks, he can kick the door in.
I'm not going to be in a body bag.
Okay, he lives here. If you call
I'm not
911,
going to be in a body bag.
If you call 911 for this again, you will go to jail.
All right, then I'll go to jail.
Okay, then we'll be back and we'll take you
All
to
right,
jail for
then,
it.
all right.
Because that is misuse of a
That's
911,
right.
and
All
we
right.
will not be back
All
for
right.
the same issue.
All right.
Okay?
She started shouting at the officers, but they weren't having it, insisting she pursued the legal route if she wanted her son evicted. However, things started to escalate when the officers refused to comply with her requests.
He can put his hands on me, and that's all right.
Well, to my understanding, you were advised to contact Officer Shellhart, who took it in the first place, and you never contacted him again. So whose fault
That
was
was
that?
last week.
Okay, and then you
It
were
was more than
told.
last week. It was the end of September.
Then you were told to contact
That
Officer
was-
Shellhart again, and you never did.
That was just last
So
week.
whose fault is that?
Oh, and who are you?
I'm Officer Looney with the Bedford Police Department, and I'm sick of it. So he's
All
allowed
right,
in the
then
house.
go. Get another job.
Okay.
Get another job.
Let him in his room.
You let him take care of your mom.
Hmm?
Let him take care of your mom.
What?
Let him take care of your
Do you
mom.
understand that he's allowed in the house?
I don't care.
Go inside of your room.
Thank you.
Out of here. It's all right for him to put his hands on me.
Who has ever said that?
The officers let her son go back inside the house, a decision which clearly didn't sit right with her, leading her to do the most hilarious thing ever.
Who has ever said that? Who has one time said
I'm
that?
just saying he did
So
today.
So you haven't filed a report in how long?
Today, yes, I did.
He put his hands on you today?
Yes,
Okay.
I did.
When?
What time is it?
You tell me. You're the one who's saying that this happened today.
What time is it now?
You tell me.
Yeah, you tell me.
You forgot what it there.
205 signal 37.
That was the best thing in the world.
She slammed the door on the officers, forgetting one was still inside, which made her attempt at showing displeasure even more ridiculous. She kept insulting the officers, but her biggest mistake happened just as the officers were leaving.
Oh, I'll just get put in the body bag and don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Go on. Do your job. Go on.
We've given you your options. There's nothing
But
else.
just go on. Don't worry about it. Okay. Don't worry about it.
Okay, let's go.
Y'all. Y'all.
Okay.
Fuck y'all.
Okay.
Oh, you didn't push me? You got it like you're doing
Hey.
You've gotten in my
Stop.
face.
Put your arms behind your back.
Why?
Put your arms behind your back.
Why? Because I explained things to him.
They arrested her when she tried to force her way into her son's room and assault him.
Don't shove me!
In the car.
I'll kick you.
You kick him, you're gonna get a level 5 felony.
He's hurting me.
Get in the f***ing car.
He's hurt. You're hurting me.
Then get in the car.
You're hurting me.
You're doing it.
No, I'm not. You're hurting me.
Get in the car.
You're hurting me.
Jill, get in the car.
You're f***ing hurting me.
They took her to jail and charged her with disorderly conduct, interfering with reporting a crime and resisting arrest. If you like watching true crime videos like this one, make sure you're subscribed to see more.